Let's assemble a metal circle arch. This item has 2 pieces, 1 assembly kit, and requires 2 people to assemble. Assembly kit includes 4 bolts with washers and nuts, and 2 adjustable wrenches. Start by placing the base in your desired location. This item should not be moved once assembled. Carefully tilt the base on its side. Put 2 bolts through the holes in the base. Holding the bolts from the top side, gently lower the base down. Bring the circle arch piece over the top of the base. Line the holes over the bolts and lower into position. Add a washer and twist on the nut. Tighten and secure with the adjustable wrench. Place a bolt through the front of the side hole, adding the washer and nut to the back. Tighten and secure with the adjustable wrench. Then repeat on the other side. Add drape, florals, or both for a complete look. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.